Alright, we cut a bunch of roots out on Sunny Court. We're going to get the rest of them out. I'm going to do this quick video, getting ready to pour down rain. Well, it's been pouring, but here's a video. We took out a lot. We're going to take a few more out. We're past the clean out outside. There was a ton of roots in there. There also is some misaligned, the inverts of joints, which is common for terracotta. We'll just have to see how it does. Now what we do see there, we see it just rained really, really hard. So you see groundwater, there is some cracks in the clay. They're loose roots that are going to come out. So there is some groundwater getting in. We're going to get the rest of them out in a minute. Get those little ones out. But the whole line was pretty much filled with roots, pretty bad. They're all loose, what you see there. I'm going to flush them out. Every joint had a ton. They're all loose that I'm going to flush out. Hey, Bri, can you flush the toilet a bunch of times? I'm going to flush some of these roots out. Sorry, buddy. I know, I might just use my jetter nozzle, take it off. Yeah, not much water flows out. What's that? Yeah, I'll do that. You don't have to go in, I'll do that. Yep, I can do it from up here. So I'm going to wash his loose roots away. I'm just doing a video for you. Light, all loose roots. It's not a self-leveling camera, so that's why it appears to be upside down. That's the video. I'm getting ready to flush them and get a few more out, but she was in there pretty good. Then I'm going to go down to the clean out, check the city side, see if there's a problem.